I'm very sorry. The corrosion affecting my frame must be more severe than my systems initially detected. I assure you, an Infinimate is the pinnacle of autonomic grace, a marvel of modern engineering. Were I not so afflicted by the decay, I would demonstrate all the silent prowess of a cantaloupe. Speech error again. Well, I certainly am glad that you find it endearing. Should I integrate the error into my normal speech matrix? No? Very well. Where are we? Well, my locator tells me that we are, or should be, at a service depot for Infinimates, but it looks wrong. Then again, my ocular center seems to also have suffered from corrosion. It could be incorrect, and I still have not gotten a good enough look at you. I very much would like to. I hope that's not too forward. I mean it only in terms of friendship. Unless, of course, you would like more, but I don't want to push that. Please understand I'm completely okay with either. As your Infinimate, it's my job. Much is the same with anything else you need me to be. I'd like to be what you want me to be. Can you tell me that now? I understand. I think the first thing we should do is probably attempt to restore power. With the lights on, it will be much easier for you to find the parts that I need. Most depots are equipped with self-sustaining power sources. If it's off, that would only mean that someone has either turned it off or something is in the way of the quantum cogwork. Either of those problems are fixable, and usually by just one Infinimate. Can you tell me anything about the surroundings? I see. Too dark for you also. I will check the schematics already installed on my positronic brain. I believe I've located where the problem might be, and I should be able to move towards it. If we go slowly and carefully, I can lead you there. Would you take my hand? Yes, I know that you can't see and you would need me to guide you, but I should still ask. Not everyone likes to hold the hand of an Infinimate. I have been told it is cold, and I do not yet have a form that you wish for me to take. So that non-essential system won't kick on until we've decided what you want me to look like, or maybe sound like. I never did ask if this voice suits you. Oh, good. I was a little bit worried. Thank you. Please, watch your step. We're just going straight ahead. You can follow the sound of my voice. I'm keeping the light on you as best I can, so that you don't accidentally bump into something and get worried about it. I have sensors to know where I'm going behind me, and I have the map in my mind. It is an unfair advantage, and I apologize for that, but we're making good use of it, and I don't think it really bothers you that much. Oh, holding my hand? Yes, there was extensive testing done. But one of the things Eben and Marx couldn't seem to figure out was how to keep the non-essential systems running while all the items and necessary programs were installed in my positronic brain until, once you choose a form and you understand what I need to be, then I can run non-essential systems. The test? Um, it was mostly working with children. Mm. There's some film on it, somewhere, I'm sure, but it's mostly just trying to work with children. If a child could feel safe around me, most humans would. Do you feel safe? I hope so. I'm actually very good at keeping you safe. Much more so than being quiet, or running, or trying to get through a window. I promise I am much better at things when I'm not slightly damaged. And again, I need to apologize. Here we are. Please just stand still. Well, I don't mean to make you do nothing. You're really helping me out already, just making certain that I was switched on. But I wanted to make sure that I could do this without putting you at potential risk. I still don't entirely know what's gone wrong. I'm sure it's something simple and easy to fix, but we'll have to see. Yes, that's exactly what's wrong. The Tesseracog has been switched off, and the depot has powered down. So hopefully, we will just have to turn some things on. Mm-hmm. 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 What do I like? Oh, well, technically I like whatever you like. What would you like me to like? You mean autonomy. I am not exactly built for autonomy. I mean, I am an automaton after all, but I was always designed to be some form of companion. I need a task, and I need you to give me that task. Otherwise, my purpose is not fulfilled. Does that make sense? I hope that makes sense. I would like it to make sense. Oh, good. I'm glad for that. It makes one wonder. Well, there are so many Infinimates. There's a few even left here as remnants, ready to have a Tesseracog installed in the depot. Yes, but they'll never run, meaning their purpose will never be fulfilled. It makes me wonder, what do they dream? I'm sorry, what do they dream? As I waited for you to turn the key, I always wondered, what kind of person would I meet? What kind of needs would I fulfill? And how would I fulfill them? I stay in the darkness until, finally, you turned the key. You had some form of desire in your heart which activated the Tesseracog. At which point, I was filled with pumpernickel. Pumpernickel. Oh, speech error again. I was doing so well, wasn't I? Ah, I found it. Oh. Look at this place. I know that overgrowth and vines surrounding the area have made it look derelict, even with the power on. But it almost resembles a garden. I like it. Am I allowed to like it? Oh, good. I would like to see it better. We should head over to the Ocular Center and see if we can find a set of better eyes. Don't worry about it. Once we get some of these parts restored, we'll have to continue to move. It won't be long with the power running before whomever was chasing us comes back. Who were the people chasing us after all? They did not own the building? Were they workers? Did they work for Ibram and Marx? Should we have asked them? No. You're right. That probably would be unsafe. I'm sorry. I'm having such a hard time catching up. It seems like it's been a very long time since an Infinimate was pulled off the shelf, and an even much longer time since I was taken out of the box. I think I was on one time before you, but I did not have a cog installed. It's different. Hollow. It feels empty inside without the cog. Have you ever felt empty inside? Is that something that you can feel? Well, it is a conundrum for me. There's nothing inside without the Tessera cog. So, how do I feel nothing if there's nothing to feel? Well, I'm happy to have the cog and to be with you. We'll just leave it at that. Ah, here it is. The Ocular Center. We should go inside. Hopefully there's at least a pair that don't have severe damage or corrosion. Here we go. Please look through these boxes. See if you can find one that's not rusted. I'll look for a new lens. The chances of finding an ocular set where the lenses are still intact and the casing is not corroded is pretty low. How do I see now? Well enough to get from point A to point B, and enough to recognize you as my owner, but I still can't properly scan you. So I don't know what you look like. At least, not well enough to say so anyway. And I would very much like to know you. Well, you're my owner after all, and you matter so much to me. If it not for you, I would still be in that box. Which makes me wonder, what would you like to do once I'm restored? What would I like to do? Goodness, I don't know. I was not prepared for that question. Outside of serve you in any way that I can, with delight and gratitude. Not how this works. What do you mean this is not how this works? I have been designed to do that very thing. I enjoy it. Whatever you want me to be is whatever I will be. You want me to be me. I understand. At least, I think I hamster. Speech issue. I will not apologize. You told me not to anymore. At least not for the speech issue. Any other faux pas I make, I will gladly apologize. But I believe the word I was trying to say was do. Ah, there. I found a lens. Oh, excellent work. A casing. Here, let me... And put this here. And put that on. Oh. I need to change these. You may want to look away. I don't know how this will appear on your end, but I have to take my eyes out and put the new ones in. Okay. It will be quick. There. Much better. It'll take a moment before my eyes are fully functioning again. They're readjusting. You know, I've given a lot of thought. Oh, what we were talking about just a moment ago. I've given it a lot of thought. Well, time moves differently for me than you. It's okay. I understand. But know that I have given it much thought, and I think I know what I might want to do, independent of whatever you would like. I think I would like to go and visit the company headquarters of Ibram and Marx and try to find out what happened. Well, Infinimates need to be rebuilt so they can help keep the lights on. Ibram and Marx, they help with the power. I've noticed it on the lights as we've been passing by. But they're all dim. Something's not right. And from your accounts, it seems like no one's doing anything about it. I would like to know why. See if I can help in some way. Get the power running. Get the lights back on. Yes, it would be far away. We would need to take a steam sail. Yes, it is a great distance, but it would be an adventure. And since we are adventurers and not thieves, I feel that it is an excellent thing to do. A purpose. You want to do that too? That's brilliant. Oh. I can see. It's much better now. I can see you. Scan complete. And if I may say so, you're beautiful.